Is your pen drive corrupted? Is it showing random error messages or write protected messages, whether it is directed from the computer? Can't you format it from Windows? Here is the solution for all of those issues. First thing is, your pen drive must be detected by Windows. It's okay if you can't open that, but it must show on this PC, like this. Then we're trying to format the USB drive using special softwares. I'll put the link for the softwares in the description, then you can download it. After you download the zip file, extract it. The password is techtricky. Then there is a folder named Format Tools. Inside the folder, there are another two folders with softwares. If first one fails, you can try with second one. These softwares will only work with corrupted pen drives. If you are trying these softwares with functioning pen drives, sometimes there may be errors. So don't try with functioning pen drives, try this with corrupted pen drives. Let's open first folder and right click on the software and run it as administrator. Then the interface will be like this. Choose your device, file system and simply click start button. This will format your corrupted USB drive. The second software is HP Format Tool. Its working procedure is same as this one. If this one not works for you, you can try second format tool. I hope this will solve your problems with corrupted USB devices. If you are still not subscribed to our techtricky channel, please subscribe it. See you on next video.